Welcome to the future. For us at Donatoni, this is not just a greeting, it's a clear direction, a continuous journey. It is a result of a history deeply rooted in passion, dedication, and vision. Our team builds the future every day through technological innovation, quality of work, and the ongoing relationship with you. Our machines are not just tools, but partners in your daily work. Our goal is to simplify process, increase productivity, and unlock new possibilities. Our mission is clear: design technology that become your everyday ally. Always ready, always by your side. We are a partner who listens to your needs with the aim to meet them, sharing goals, challenges, and solutions with you every day, wherever you are in the world. With this spirit, we believe and create events, moments of sharing, training, and dialogue, opportunities to grow together, to share inspiration, to create a system evolving with you. Donatoni looks to the future and to innovation with the same practical vision that always guided us. Welcome to the future. Welcome to Donatoni.